Revolutionizing banking with blockchain, the future is here. From the stone tablets of ancient civilizations to the digital tablets of today, the world of banking has undergone an immense transformation. But we stand on the brink of perhaps the most radical shift yet. Welcome to today's deep dive into how blockchain is revolutionizing the banking sector. I'm Alex, and this is SR Tech, the channel where we decode the technology transforming our wallets and our world. Revolutionizing banking with blockchain. Imagine a world where transactions are faster, safer, and cheaper. That world is not a distant reality, it's right on our doorstep. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is now set to make over traditional banking. But what is blockchain, and how is it weaving its magic in the financial tapestry? Stay with us as we unpack blockchain in banking, and don't forget, for more content on groundbreaking tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay ahead of the game. Section 1, Understanding Blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology, a decentralized database that's managed by multiple participants. It's a chain of blocks, where each block contains a number of transactions. Everyone participating in the blockchain network has a copy of this ledger, making it highly transparent and secure. Every time a new transaction is made, it's added to every participant's ledger. It uses cryptographic principles to ensure that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered, effectively sealing its authenticity. Disrupting the traditional banking system. Banks are the cornerstone of the economy, handling everything from deposits and loans to international transfers. But they face challenges. Slow transaction times, high costs, and security concerns are just the tip of the iceberg. With blockchain, banks can streamline their operations. This means faster transactions, lower costs, and enhanced security, not to mention the introduction of smart contracts that execute automatically when conditions are met, drastically cutting down on paperwork. Blockchain in action, real-world applications. Let's talk real-world applications. Major banks are piloting blockchain for everything from payments and remittances to KYC, know your customer, and fraud reduction. International money transfers, which can take days and incur hefty fees, can be executed in seconds at a fraction of the cost. We'll also explore how blockchain is a game changer for credit and loans, asset management, and securing sensitive customer data. The challenges of implementation. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Integrating blockchain into the complex web of global finance comes with its challenges. Regulatory hurdles, scalability issues, and concerns about interoperability with existing systems are some of the main obstacles banks face as they embrace this technology. But the tide is turning. Innovative startups to international banking conglomerates are investing billions to tackle these challenges head-on, signaling a shift towards a more efficient and transparent banking future. The risks and rewards. No transformation comes without risk. Blockchain's decentralized nature raises questions about regulation and control. Who is responsible if something goes wrong? And can this technology be trustless and transparent while still falling within the purview of banking regulators? We'll dissect the risk-reward scenario of blockchain in banking, weighing the potential for disruption against the need for stability in the financial sector. The future of banking with blockchain. As we look to the horizon, the possibilities are breathtaking. We're on the cusp of a banking revolution, where blockchain could enable not just smarter banking, but a comprehensive overhaul of financial services. We'll talk to visionaries who predict a future where blockchain empowers individuals with unprecedented control over their financial destiny, bridging the gap between the banked and the billions who remain unbanked. As blockchain technology knocks on the doors of traditional banks, it brings with it a wave of innovation that may just redefine the very essence of how we transact and interact with money. But what are your thoughts? Could blockchain be the key to a more inclusive and efficient global financial system? Tell me your views in the comments below. Share this video with anyone who needs to know about this banking revolution, and join the conversation. If you've enjoyed this exploration into blockchain and banking, like this video. And stay tuned for more insights into the technologies shaping our financial tomorrow.